There's a drop top coupe, said you wanna drive it down real soon. I just wanna love you like I do, cause I never had someone like you. Ain't nobody got this love, got me cut. Ain't nobody pay, all I need is love. I just wanna run away with you. I'm just hoping that you see and you know this. Can't stop with the way I've been falling. Fall back as a catch when you're falling. I just need to know you're mine when I'm counting. Girl, let me provide you need a freaky girl under the cheeks. But you love when things start slowing down. I know you got me, babe. There's a drop top coupe, said you wanna drive it down real soon.
Hello. So ayan guys, dito na naman tayo, no? Sa ating mga gawain. So meron tayong kaibigan at kapitbahay na nagano sa atin, no, na gusto niya magpagawa ng kulungan ng kanyang inahing baboy. So ginawa natin siya, guys. Ang laki nito is 200 by 250. So ayan, nagawa naman natin mula sa piling, lahat sa plastering at sa pagbubong. So ayan, nagawa natin, no? So sa pagpasok ng bagong taon meron tayong natapos na trabaho. So sa ibang gustong magpagawa dyan, PM lang tayo. Meron tayong Facebook Messenger, pwede kayong mag-PM doon. So ayan guys, as you can see, mula simula hanggang sa pag-welding ay tayo lang ang gumawa. So all around tayo, di ba? So sa lahat ng gustong magpagawa, PM lang kayo, walang problema, basta Pantukan location.